Now we are going to cut out the flattened design here. I'm going to cut them out here, and you have to survey your straw board in such a way you can maximize the use of every inch of the straw board, so you minimize wastage. Now this is this green cotton mat. It's called the self-healing cotton mat. So even when I take my cutter and I cut something through it, it doesn't show any incision. It covers up immediately. It's very important when you're cutting paper with sharp implements. You have this on your table. It protects your table and it keeps your blade sharp, because if you cut on another kind of surface, it will weaken the edge. Your edge has to be very sharp. I have two types of cutters here. I have the smaller one and I have the larger one, and they are all serrated with lines. Serrated. This is a bit rusty. They're serrated lines. When you take the plier, you cut it to bring out a new edge. I think I'll be doing that because this doesn't look too sharp enough. And of course we have our pencil, our eraser. I have two types of metallic rulers here. This ruler is the 12 inches ruler. It's also 30 centimeters. And the second one is twice that size. This is 24 inches and 61 centimeters. It comes really handy when you are dealing with a very large straw board. I'll be using my longer metallic ruler. Now this self-healing mat, the one I have here, is divided into 1 centimeter measured lines. It helps a lot. So if you want to cut something out, you just align it, align the paper, the straw board properly. And you see, I made it aligned here, made it smooth lined here, and this also, so it fits smoothly into the line down and line across. So we have your X and your Y. And so when you want to make any cuts, you align from one side of the straw board to the other side to meet the lines and to help you to get accurate measurements and very straight lines. You see. Okay. So I'm going to snap off. That's what we're going to do now. We're going to measure. So we're going to put this design onto here. That's the next thing.